Colleen and Cyrus attended my very first foray in 2001 in Knoxville, Tennessee, and they've been on dozens and dozens and helped out so much, and I've watched their kids grow, and they're my interns, and I love them, and I miss them, and I miss you, Colleen.
Okay.
All right, this is kind of after the fact, but this is
Okay.
name and...
Oh yeah, I see them.
I'm Colleen from Indiana.
All right, and she's the one that helped us with the foray, so everybody needs to thank her, and she helped do a lot of setting up and...
And she has the greatest children in the world.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Well, it's
Stinkers,
been fun.
stinkers,
It's been a lot of fun. We've enjoyed it, haven't we?
All right, I'm sure we'll do it again. It's a lot of fun. You guys take care. All right. Did you have fun?
Yes.
As always,
Yep.
great fun, great food, great people.
I love you, Fisher.
Chris does a great job.
All right, you guys be safe. Keep in touch. We'll see you again soon.
Okay.
All right, we got all kinds of helpers going on here. We found some deer mushrooms or fawn mushrooms. We're going to put them in the soup as well. All right, Colleen, you've never found morels under your apple tree, right?
Oh my God!
Right.
All right, you never found them under your apple trees. And I think I've looked here before with you.
Yes.
And it's raining cats and dogs, and why would I want to go out and look under the apple trees? Because I'm Morel psychic, right? Can everybody testify to that?
Yes.
They're everywhere.
Get out of here!
Oh, you've got to be
I'm not kidding.
me.
Get out of
The
here!
very first tree I saw 2 big yellows, and I went to the next tree and there's probably 30 under it.
No.
Yes, they are.
Oh.
They're everywhere.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going. This is very
I don't want to pick them. I want everybody to see them.
Okay, go. You try it.
Now we're gonna go and there's none there.
No, I didn't pick them. I don't want anybody to pick them.
Well, you don't want us to pick them.
I want everybody to see them when they come back.
I cannot believe you found. Oh, Chris.
I'm definitely mushroom psychic. Nice, huh?
Beautiful. You want to take any more pictures?
No, I got the picture. Just go ahead and cut them. Some nice mushrooms, aren't they?
Yes, they're beautiful. I got stuff on too. There's so many here that okay. There and there.
In there.
I don't think I saw that one before.
I think there's one behind you too.
I got one back there. Is there another one?
Maybe you got. No, it's on back there.
Yeah.